Alright, so now we got a fun little toy that we have been playing around with here. This is the RIMCRAFT BAKHOPPER. We're going to use this today to spray our backer coat. This will spray a face coat too, but we're still getting used to it. So for now we're doing the backer with it. If you've ever hand packed before, you'll like this. Do that a couple times and we got our full thickness. Alright, so now we're going to show you the hand pack method. You know, if it's not in your budget to get a backer gun, then this is what you're left with. And you know, some practice, it's not too bad. To start out, what I want to do is get a kind of a thin coat and really get a little bit of pressure on there so I'm getting a good bond. And as you see, you just keep building it up from there. Another trick is if you pull it up over your edge, it'll help it stay without falling down.